Hey guys, this is Phil in Florida. Have you ever played mix and match where you take something out of one cooker and take something else out of another cooker, put them together and cook something? That's what I'm going to do today. Stay tuned and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Today we're going to be using the Sns Kamado. We're going to do a tailgater cook, and here's my setup. I'm just starting out with the kick ash basket in the bottom, and we're going to put in some lump charcoal. Okay, we got some royal oak lump. I'll put a nice healthy dose of that in. About that much. Level it off. Dig us out a little hole. Take us a tumbleweed starter, place it down in there, and voila. We're just going to let that get started. I'm going to heat up the other things I'm going to put in here. So I'm going to take the heat plate setter, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to put that right there. Out at Sam's they sell these pizza pans, 16-inch pizza pans. I'm going to put that in the middle just to catch any juices, keep from making a mess down in the bottom. And then out of my WSM, I'm going to put this fire dial on top of the pizza pan. And that'll help protect the meat that's coming all the way out to the edges. I'm going to put my grate in, and if it wasn't for this particular SNS design with this grate bracket, I wouldn't be able to do that right there, but that works out good. Now let me show you what else I could do. If I needed more room, I could go in with this grate. You have another entire tier to cook on. And what else you could do with this, along with this SNS Kamado, came another half grate, and you can put this up here and let that be another tier, and that lid will close. But what I'm going to do, instead of using this, I'm going to use this half grate, and my good buddy Ken over at Heavy Metal Barbecue just happened to send me one of these a few weeks back, so I have two of them. So if you're lucky enough to have two of them, you can put them in just like that and have the same thing. Plus you can lift one side out the way to do what you need to do. I'm going to have a full grill here on two different levels. Put in this probe that's going to keep up with our temperatures. Alright, close this lid and let this thing come up to temp. Vents are open at the top and the bottom. How you like that setup? Well, you know me, I'm always trying to do things out of the box. You've got a half a dozen cookers, and some of them have interchangeable parts. I know a lot of you already do that. So that's what I got going on today. I'll be back when we put this food on. I've already used my cutters and clipped these chicken tips off, and I've got about 28 wings that I'm going to be doing. I'm just using some of Joe's Barbecue House chicken and pork rub. Looks like salt, pepper, garlic, and I'm just seasoning these wings up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to make some poppers. I'm going to cut this jalapeno across on this end and on this end. This is just one way I found that works pretty good, and start at this cut and come all the way down to the cut you made down here and open it up. Just make a little door, see that? And the more you work with it, the more it'll break loose. Then you can just take a spoon, or I got a little deal here that works pretty good with sharp edges, and you could just stick your finger down in there like that. This just digs it out pretty good. Alright, thump it one time, get the rest of the seeds out. Let me get that fine vein right there. I've got some pepper jack cheese, and I got some blended cheese, pizza to blend, just anything you want to put in there. All right, I decided to put some relish, some of my homemade relish, in this popper. Stuff it down in there, and take us a piece of bacon, and just start it at the end. Put your finger on it and start wrapping. Yeah, boy. And then you can kind of twist on it and work it around there like you want it. All right, another popper. All right, guys, here is my setup. We got wings with Joe's Barbecue House chicken and pork rub. We've got bacon wrapped Italian meatballs, and we've got jalapeno poppers with these cheeses and the vegetable relish inside, but wrapped with bacon. So with some amazing Cajun, I haven't made products. Hang with me, we'll go put this stuff out on the cooker. Our temperature is up to 318, and so we're ready to put some food on, and here is our tailgating food for the football games today. This will be about an hour 15-minute cook. Most of the stuff will cook in that time, so let's put this food on. Our setup. Let me put this here back in there so I can keep up with the temp. I'm gonna take this meat probe, put it in one of these wings. There is the setup with the food. That's what it looks like. I just put it on, so nothing's been cooking yet. Alright, let's close this thing down and let her cook. Let you know, put all that cold food in the cooker, and of course with the top open my temps went way down, but it took about 6 minutes to get back up to 300. Now I'm going to close the vents down to about a quarter on top and bottom and see where we level off between 3 and 325. Okay guys, we're going to make up a little hot sauce. This is some of my Piff's hot sauce that I put together. Same thing in this bottle. Shake it up a little bit. I'm going to take a stick of butter and go melt it, and I'll be right back. Okay, we got a half a cup of butter. I'll put in about that much hot sauce. Piff's hot sauce. There's a half a cup of my hot sauce. I'm going to put a little bit of this Uncle Albert's in there to give it a little sweet. Not much, but just a little bit. That's it. That's my wing sauce. Let's see what's going on under here. I had a lot of heat coming up around the edges, so I kind of pushed everything in. I'm going to put a little bit of this cherry habanero on the meatballs. Alright. A little bit of sweet, a little bit of spicy cherry habanero. Let's see if we can get these wings fixed up. I'm going to try to get away with just dipping them. Hey guys, I'm going to make me a little doggy woggy. Let's see what we can do here. I cut this in half. Let's see. Yeah. Take this nice sausage. This is some of my homemade relish. I've got a video on it if you want to know how I made it. Here we go. Football food, tailgating. Mmm. That's good. This is from Harbin Packing Company. These are Harbin Gamecocks. South Carolina Gamecocks. One more bite. Mmm. That's definitely tailgating food, right? Let's see what else is in there. Hold on. Look at that. A mini meatball sub. That's good. It's got that horseradish sauce, mayo in it, and hot sauce, and some cheese. Mmm. And wrapped in bacon. Mmm. That's good. Mmm. Alright, here's one. That was good. That had the my hot sauce that I made mixed with butter. You know, the typical wing sauce. I like that so much, I'm gonna finish it. Mmm. That's good. As I almost forgot, well I did. I forgot to mention my jalapeno poppers. See there? See the little pigtail? I got to try this. I think they turned out real good. Mmm. Mmm. You can't go wrong with a good jalapeno popper. Got the different cheeses in it. The vegetable relish is in there. Wrapped in bacon. Yum. Alright, here we are, finished. Italian meatballs wrapped in bacon, a meatball mini sub, some smoked sausage, and some wings, hot wings, on the Sns Kamado. Here's a key factor. When you're cooking in the wintertime, start early. It's getting dark on me. It still looks plenty daylight, but the shadows are looming and getting long. I got it in just in the nick of time. Janet's in there watching college football. I think she just got through with Oklahoma. I watched it too, on and off. They pulled it off. LSU is in there playing Georgia. We'll see. Good luck. May the best team win, right? And Clemson, Janet's team, plays tonight. We'll see what they do with Virginia. Alright guys, until next time, this is Phil and Florence. Wishing you the best. So long.